Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AWS Backup Agent and configure Vault's detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the AWS Backup Agent, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official AWS website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type AWS Backup and select it from the drop-down. On the AWS Backup dashboard, locate the Resources section. Click on Backup Plans to proceed to the backup settings. In the Backup Plans section, look for the option to download the AWS Backup Agent. Follow the prompts to download the agent suitable for your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to initiate the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, navigate back to the AWS Management Console. In the Backup Vault section, click on Create Backup Vault. Provide a name for your backup vault, ensuring it is unique. Optionally, add a description to clarify the vault's purpose. Select the desired encryption settings for your vault. Click Create Vault to finalize the setup. To configure the backup plan, return to the AWS Backup dashboard. Select Backup Plans and then click on Create Backup Plan. Choose whether to start from scratch or use an existing plan. Fill in the required details such as backup frequency and retention period. Once completed, review your settings carefully. Click Create Plan to save your backup configuration. Now, associate your resources with the backup plan. Return to the Backup Plan overview and click on Assign Resources. Choose the resources you want to back up and confirm your selection. Review the configuration and click Assign Resources to complete the process. Now your AWS Backup Agent is installed, and vaults are configured. Ensure to monitor your backups regularly for compliance and integrity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.